So this is that particular place from where 2.5 lakh people, as mentioned in the FIR, were present over here. And in fact, Dileep ji now show this particular stage. Vijay Dileep is showing you these entire visuals, and this is the particular stage from where Baba was, the self-proclaimed Baba was sitting along with his wife and addressing this particular gathering. Now also what we are told is that despite he being in Baba, he was given all the kind of VVIP treatment. This is his king chair, and in fact we'll try to move to that area. This area is very muddy, difficult to walk in fact in this area, but this is that particular chair where this Bhole Baba was sitting, and this was the same chair. Dileep ji, if you can show these visuals, these are the amenities, the facilities in fact that he was getting while he was sitting over there. And in fact there you see the fan, the mirror, this king chair, and in the visuals also we can see the sofas for other dignitaries as well, the mats, the tables, everything has been kept over here. And in fact a separate lavatory, the separate washroom has also been built for him, so that this is the stage and this is the area just behind the stage. So you see, it is just being built because he could not even walk for couple of minutes, and in fact even if he gets down from here, it will take hardly few seconds for him to get down and have access to this particular washroom. And now also let me tell you that there is also another road that was built for this VVIP movement of self-proclaimed Baba. So there is that road. You see, Times Now is the channel who is showing you that how this entire fiasco must have happened just to give VVIP treatment to this self-proclaimed Bhole Baba. So there you see, this is the road, and in fact that was the vehicular movement. The vehicle stopped there, and from that particular area he entered this particular pandal where 2.5 lakh people were present. Once again we'll also show you the backside, that other arrangements were also made at the backside of the area. Not just one but several tents were also put up. The tents for the food, the tents for the other facilities maybe. So there is this another tent, but the condition of all these tents are certainly all the tents are destroyed in fact. But you see, again if we walk in this area, we'll again see slippers, which in fact indicates clearly that how the stampede must have occurred and how people must have lost their lives.